Muhammad Ali was aggressive looking, but I could have asked him to do anything for me. I'm James Barno from Accra, Ghana, and I've been photographing almost all the time that I can remember. Starting from 1946, 47, when someone gave me a baby brownie. Muhammad Ali was aggressive looking, but I found out that I could have asked him to do anything for me. Do it again, or stand here, or do that, he would have done it. But I didn't say a word to him all through, I think, 1 hour that I was with him in the boxing gym. I said, if I had photographed the legend himself, then I'm also a legend. Now I can use digital and I can do anything modern, which, pleases me. The changes are tremendous, but I feel proud that I connect to the dinosaurs of photography, those who had that big cameras and they took photographs and they developed on plates and so on, and today's digital. And I feel very proud. With luck, I happened to get a baby, and all of a sudden, he stood on his feet and arms. And I don't know if any photographer can pose a child to be in that position. So, I look at it and say, this is my best photograph. That's my favorite, baby on all fours.